So, after investing all that time, he's finally ready to hit the road with that awesome truck. Every night, he planned routes, counted profits, and imagined success. Everyone believed he was about to succeed. The agent placed a thick policy on the desk, but he never planned to read it. Without reading a single page, he signed the contract. The next few weeks felt amazing. Deliveries came in daily. Money started flowing. Soon, local stores trusted him with regular deliveries. People recognized his truck around town. The business became so busy, he barely had time to sleep. Insurance emails kept arriving, policy updates, coverage reminders, important notices, but he ignored all of them. "Friend, you actually read your insurance policy, right?" But he laughed it off. One stormy night, he accepted one final delivery. Rain hit the windshield hard. The roads became dangerous. Then suddenly, a bus swerved into his lane. The truck was badly damaged. Emergency lights flashed across the wet road. Probably around $80,000 total. His stomach dropped instantly. He called the company immediately. "We reviewed your claim." The room suddenly became quiet. "You selected personal vehicle coverage." He stared at the papers in confusion. The agent said this policy does not cover commercial delivery work. In one sentence, everything collapsed. The claim was denied. But there wasn't. He signed the policy himself. Repair costs, missed deliveries, loan payments. The numbers kept growing. That night, he couldn't sleep. He replayed the moment he signed the papers, again and again. Family members said, "What are we going to do now?" The guilt hit harder than the accident itself. For the first time, he carefully read every page, line by line. The warning had always existed. He remembered rushing through the office, signing quickly, smiling confidently. Survive financially, he started selling equipment, tools, storage racks, even business supplies. Friends said, "You made a mistake. That happens. But this doesn't have to be the end." For the first time in weeks, he felt a little hope. Instead of quitting, he started learning coverage types, exclusions, and liability rules. Insurance advisor said this section explains exactly what's protected. Now he finally understood what questions to ask. He couldn't afford another big truck, so he started again with a smaller vehicle. The business slowly came back. Small jobs became bigger jobs. Customers returned. Eventually, he started warning other business owners, "Read everything before signing." The room became silent. Everyone suddenly looked nervous about their own contracts. People started checking their phones and policies. Now, before signing anything, he reads every line carefully, even the small print. Insurance advisor advised this policy fully covers commercial delivery work. Months later, the business finally stabilized again. Not perfect, but stronger and smarter. Most people think insurance protects them automatically, but policies only protect what's actually written inside them. Never assume you're covered. Read the details. Ask questions. One missing sentence can destroy everything. Losing money hurt, but the real pain came from realizing the disaster could have been prevented. All it required was a few minutes of reading. His business survived, and now he helps others avoid the same mistake. Sometimes the hardest lessons become the most valuable. He forgot to read the insurance policy and lost $80,000.